Well, look at what we have here. Another package. We got another package today, guys. I am very excited for this one. I'll be even more excited if it is all in my favor and gives us a new clicky we don't have. But let's go ahead and cut this bad boy open and see what came in the mail. What do you guys think this is? Any idea whatsoever? Do I need the knife? Or can I just unwrap it? Okay. Yep. I think we're okay. Well, we got a big thank you. Hello, thank you, Cindy. Or thank you, Cindy. Today, guys, we are unboxing an Everdreamerz Series 2 figure. This is set number 70478. And this is the comic-themed Everdreamerz set. I do like the Everdreamerz figures just because they're so unique. The ones that I don't really care for are the 5 main characters. I kind of wish they just threw them in as part of the regular set and then sold all of the figures in the same manner, where you have the box with all the different surprises. Here's an Everdreamerz 3 box beside it to compare with. Yeah, I kind of like this one a little more. This one here is just more to look at, but I like it just because it's different. And because I've never gotten a Series 2, even though I have a couple of their figures, I've never gotten one brand new. I've gotten only the figures used. So, and this one here, we are actually saving for somebody else. So we're going to put that aside and look at this a little bit more close up. As with all Everdreamerz mystery packages, you do get 5 surprises inside. And I do like this yellow colored box. Here's the other ones. I actually have 2 of these figures, and the rest I would be stoked to have. I do have the Mr. Football guy, but I don't think that's his name. And I do have Madam Nightmare, I think that's her name. I do know Nightmare's in there. On the back side, we just have the choking hazard warnings and barcode. And here are some silhouettes of what we would come to expect from a Everdreamerz box. You get your figure, you get your collectible card, a charm, a sticker, and whatever accessories are included. Enough with the box details. Let's go ahead and tear this puppy open and see what's inside. All right, well, here we go. Let's go ahead and crack this thing open the old-fashioned way. This is a very decorative box. It almost looks like it has a coloring sheet underneath. I honestly kind of hate having to tear this open, but I got it for such a good price, you know. I got it for like not even $5, and these normally go for about what, 8 to 12, 8 to 15 maybe, or is that the bigger ones? Let me punch this in. Oh, we got our we got the cheerleader. We got Kimby, I think was her name. I'll take it. I was actually kind of hoping for her sister with the green hair, just because I cannot find her green-haired sister in Series 3. But yeah, here's her card. And then right here, oh, this is not the sticker, but it is a sticker. And Kimby, I guess, is supposed to be, without knowing too much about the Everdreamerz characters and their storyline, I do believe Kimby is one of the bad guys, so to speak. She's kind of negative and kind of starts trouble along with her maybe twin sister with the green hair. But her sign here says boo with thumbs down, and it goes on a sign that she carries, I guess, to the games that she's cheering at. And then, okay, moving on. Where's it? Where is the sticker? Oh, there it is, right there on the bottom. So here is her sticker. It's basically like the card, but her charm comes as a separate sticker, and evidently her name does too. Here's our figure, or the bag anyway, and there's our figure. And then our first accessory is this thing here. I'm not 100% sure what this is, but I have a hunch it's a base for the sign. This would be the, whoops, this would be the sign. This now makes sense to me. Yep, fits right in there perfectly. Or the sign post is what it is. Here's the sign. And we'll put that sticker on shortly. Here is, oh, look at that. Oh, cool. She's got one of those number one, you know, gloves that you can wear, like a foam glove. You can wear it at the games to show your support. Here's her pencil charm, all yellow. Alright, so I've noticed one thing about those stickers is that they're very heavy duty. So there's her sticker showing no support. Nothing really too outstanding of the figure. Let's go ahead and put this on for her. Haha, nice. That's an interesting pose, but yeah, this is kind of cool. I do like the vibrant yellow. It kind of matches the hair from the season or series 3 figure, which is very neon-esque. And then her hair color here is a lot darker. And it kind of almost matches the orange of her shoes here. So she's got this number 1 on her cropped hoodie here, and then these dots on her skirt, and then she's wearing a hoodie. And that's pretty much it. But yeah, I'm still excited. I think it's pretty cool. These are tribbles. That's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a like. Please subscribe if you haven't, and check us out on Instagram. You can find us at playmo.af, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.